again. Can't stay in this dead-end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted.
Wonderland friends, and welcome to Thursday. Today I thought I would do a day in the life video, which means I'm going to be doing all of my normal daily routine stuff that I pretty much do every single day: making breakfast, making up the bed, straightening up the living room, fluffing cushions, sweeping floors, a whole kit and caboodle, everything. So a pretty much day in the life of me, what I do on a daily basis, and things that I just don't capture like all the time for you guys, because I'm sure it gets repetitive, it gets boring. I'm sure when you click on it, you're going, oh God, not another one of these. She's making up her bed again in high speed. But it's so funny because I do a lot of like looking and research and trying to figure out what people like, what people enjoy seeing, and believe it or not, like day in the life, cleaning vlogs, making a bed, doing dishes, doing just like your normal everyday routine stuff, people actually like all that stuff. I mean, I see a lot of other YouTubers, their comments or whatever on their videos say, love this video, like this type of video, keep doing more like this. So I'm like, okay, so maybe I'll try it on mine then. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I did have a plan to go back to the post office today to try to get another form for Brian so we could fill that out for his passport. Not sure if he's gonna be able to go tomorrow. After all, he's got another meeting that just popped up, so we might have to reschedule it to go maybe next Thursday, because next Friday we're leaving for Pensacola. So not sure when we're gonna be able to get this passport done. Maybe one day next week. Again, not sure. He's got 3 trainings next week coming up, so it's just been a very, very busy time for him. So we're hoping that we can get his stuff done and quickly applied for so he can get a new passport, because obviously I cannot find his. I'll put a link up here at the top so you guys can watch the video from yesterday where I was trying to search frantically for his passport. If we do have to postpone it for another day, that's going to give me a little bit more time to actually try to look for it again. But if I can't find it in any of that stuff that I looked for it yesterday, then I just don't know where it's at. And like I said yesterday too, it's like I had passed that thing so many times, like over and over and over again, and it's just like, oh well, here it is, here it is, here it is, and now I need it and I can't find it. That's just the way that always is. So today, day in the life, hang out with me today, and yeah, hopefully we'll have some fun, and let's start this day, shall we?
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are.
This is the mess that I made yesterday in my glam room looking for Brian's passport. And let me tell ya, I was a bit overwhelmed with all of this stuff. And a lot of it is sad stuff. Majority of it is sad stuff. Basically, all of the stuff is my boys' stuff. And court documents and nightmare emails from that wicked, wicked stepmother. And pooped. I have been like cleaning the house like all day. Obviously it's something that I do most of the time, especially because when you neglect things around the house, it gets pretty dusty very, very quickly. And like I said, I think like I didn't sweep the floors or anything yesterday, so today was like a day that I had to get that done. Anyhow, I've already taken a shower. I'm cooling myself down. I'm starting to relax a little bit. I have to take towels out of the washer or the dryer here in a second and then fold those up. But the mail just ran and I wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I have picked, that I've ordered. It seems like every day I have stuff coming in. Okay, so this thing, oh yes, I'm excited about this. This is for, crossing my fingers, this is for one of our what is it, formal nights on the cruise. This is something that we have to dress up or whatever, but this skirt, I am super excited about this skirt. Look how cute this is. And I'm not one for that short and long type of thing. I know there's a name for it, I just can't think of it right now. But anyway, I loved this one. Let me see if I can like show you guys. This is what it looks like. It's, you know, short in the front and longer in the back. Oh, short. Here we go. Short in the front and longer in the back. You guys can see that, but look how cute this skirt is. I am really hoping that this fits. It says it's the size 18. That's the size that I pretty much wear right now. So I'm hoping that this will work. I'm gonna wear like a really cute black shirt with it because this has got black in it. So you guys can see like the detail in it. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. So that is something that I'm gonna wear for a formal night. One of the formal nights while we're on the cruise for dinner. And then this is something that I ordered from Posh. This is, you guys, I am obsessed with those diaper bags. And whoa, they really like stuck this one in there. I'm obsessed with those diaper bags, and I think it's called Skip Hop, or yeah, Skip Hop diaper bags. Obsessed. And I don't know. Ooh, this one's kind of faded. This one's kind of weird looking. This one has like stuff on it. This one kind of has like mess in the front of it. I don't need a diaper changing pad, but this one is really cute. I'm gonna throw this in the wash because it does have like a really weird odor. But nonetheless, this is one of the new ones that I ordered from Posh. I absolutely love it. This is a J.J. Cole Collections. So this is not a Skip Hop. But these are those diaper bags that are so trendy right now. And I know, I don't have a baby. Why am I buying diaper bags? Because they have like the most room inside of bags I've ever seen in my entire life. This is so amazing. There's like a pocket here in the front. There's another pocket here. Opens up in the front there. There's so many pouches inside of this thing, and then there's one, and I like the fact too that it has a crossbody and it's got the big straps. I love these. I'm obsessed, seriously obsessed with these bags, and I don't know why I am, but I am. And then it has a nice big pouch in the back. Again, garbage. I'm gonna wash this because it has a funky odor. So yeah, I do like that. I did order that, like I said, from Posh. And then I think I've only paid like $15 for it, so I like it. And then this, let's see what this is. Ooh, okay, so this is my other dress that I ordered, possibly for a formal, nope, lied. This is not the dress that I ordered. These are two shirts that I ordered from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. These are adorable. I don't think you can find these in the store. I think they're just on walmart.com. And I hope, oh no, they're really short. I hate short shirts. See, that's why I hate, like, I'm not really sure. They didn't look short on the website. Dang it. Well, we'll have to see. Anyway, it's one of those like cute little off-the-shoulder shirts. 3/4 sleeves, really cute little puffiness on the ends. And then what is so cute about it, so much so, is that it ties. It has like a cute little ribbon in the back. So freaking cute. And I love bows and ties, and look how cute that is. So that's the back of the shirt, and then this is like the front, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, it's a little short. It's short for me, so I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna deal with that. Bummer. I got this color, and I think they were, oh my gosh, I don't remember how much they were, and I don't think there's a receipt in here. No, I don't think they were like over $20. But, and then I got a green one just like it, because I just thought green would be so pretty. And it's the same thing, same type of shirt, little off the shoulder, ties in the back, super cute. I love it. I just hate that it's so short, but I'm wondering if I can get away with the shortness if I put like a tanky underneath it. Ooh, don't know. And then lastly, this is garbage now. Lastly, I don't know why I still continue to get these, but I do. This is the, what is this thing from? I forgot what this is even called, because I don't like order it anymore. Ipsy. But Ipsy still comes to my door. Cute little pouches that they come in. You get like free stuff in it. It's like $10 a month for it. Cute, good brush though, nice little travel brush. And then it gives you a bunch of little like sample size things inside of the little pouch. Most of the time I've been throwing stuff out because I just don't need it, don't use it. This is False Lashes Extreme Black. This is Lipsticks Crayon Rouge, a lotion, and a exfoliator cleanser. I mean, why would they give me this False Lashes Extreme? Oh, it's a mascara. Ugh, it stinks too. See, I always hate this stuff. So I don't know. I'm gonna try to see again. I don't know why they keep sending me this. I canceled this a long time ago because I was just getting like so bored with it. Like I didn't need this stuff anymore because I really just don't. It's like, ugh, not even like good stuff anymore. I'm just bored with Ipsy. I got bored with Ipsy really quickly. Like this is like the only thing that I really enjoy getting from Ipsy, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fold up those towels now, and I'm gonna go and end the vlog. That way I can get this up and edited. I wanna thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on a daily basis. I know that some days may be a little less exciting than others, but I think that's just part of like daily vlogging, because like every day is not going to be something exciting. Every day isn't going to be, you know, me out shopping or me out running errands or whatever. It's going to be, you know, me here at the house doing my normal house routine. So I just hope that it doesn't like get to like repetitive and I, you know, lose you guys, because I really do enjoy doing it. I do feel bad sometimes because I do feel like every morning when I wake up, I'm like, okay, what can I bring them that's exciting? What can I bring them that, you know, they're gonna not go, oh, well, this is getting boring, I'm not gonna watch her anymore or whatever. So I kind of get worried about that. I mean, and it's just, I think that's with everybody. I just want to make sure that you guys are staying entertained and that you guys want to come back for a reason, and I want to know what your reason is. You know, do you like the daily vlogs? Do you like the fact that I you know, I make up my bed, or I show you my breakfast, or I'm cleaning my kitchen, or I'm cleaning my house, or I'm folding clothes or whatever? Do you guys like all that stuff? I know that there's got to be a balance, you know, of all of that plus going out and doing things too. I get all that. So like I said, I just don't want it to be so boring for you guys that you guys just like go, okay, well, we're done. But I am leaving for Tennessee, I believe Saturday morning. As of right now, I'm coming home Sunday. My mom kind of wanted me to stay till Tuesday morning, but I don't know if I'm going to, because Brian and I are turning around and leaving again on Friday for Pensacola, and obviously I'll need to come home and get some stuff done around here before we leave. So, but I'll keep you guys, you know, you guys will know. I'll take you guys along with me for the weekend and stuff. So see you guys in Wonderland.